I had it all: wealth, success, admiration. Yet I was never satisfied. Each deal closed only deepened my hunger for more. I thought happiness was just one more promotion away. Then I found that old bookstore, a hidden gem in a forgotten alley. The old man behind the counter offered me a leather-bound book, claiming it held the secret to infinite wealth. I scoffed, but curiosity won. I dove into those pages, losing myself in investment strategies and market secrets. Hours turned into days as I read, oblivious to everything around me. But when I reached the final chapter, the words blurred into a chilling truth. You have everything, yet you have lost yourself. I looked in the mirror. My reflection was a ghost of the man I used to be. The world outside had moved on without me. I had gained knowledge, but at what cost? In my relentless pursuit of wealth, I forgot to live. Greed is a hunger that can never be satisfied, and in chasing more, I lost the most important things: time, relationships, myself.